So today we are going to be exploring a really simple dish, which is
Poha.
Poha.
But why are we going to do poha?
Because it has actually been requested by our amazing followers quite a couple of times.
Yeah, it has actually. Quite a few times actually, so it's a very
Yes.
popular
And
dish by the looks
also,
of it.
it is a simple, easy to make vegetarian Indian dish.
Okay, so I've read a little bit about it and I know that it is served mostly
breakfast?
for breakfast.
Yes.
I think because it is so simple and easy to do, it's quick, so there's not like loads of time that needs to be standing in the kitchen. So I've gotten everything ready and everything's here, as you can
Wait, you
see.
forgot something. What's the potato?
Oh, that will come in later.
Yeah, that'll come later.
Okay, so I've got everything ready and let's get cooking.
Yep.
Okay, so
We
I
got
have
our onions chopped.
the onions chopped, so that's out of the way.
Yep.
And all the
Got the
ingredients
pan.
are ready here for
Yeah.
them to hand over to me. And
Now
I've got
we got the pot with that, which is hot
the
now.
pan is hot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to be roasting the cumin seeds before I'm doing anything else, which was one of the suggestions by one of our amazing supporters, our subscribers over there. And they said to roast the cumin seeds will just bring out a little bit of flavor. They mentioned it in the butter puffs as well as in the kanda bhajis you make.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they said please roast it before, you'll get a nice little flavor. So
Before
that is
adding.
before you do anything else.
Ghee.
Yeah. So I am going to be roasting my cumin seeds, just half a
Tablespoon.
teaspoon.
Oh, that's way too much.
So I'm just quickly going to dry fry there.
Now it's just.
You can actually smell it.
Now pop it.
After pop. Why do you think they go like up?
Because of the heat, so they pop up.
Like popcorn. I need to listen to popcorn.
Okay. So they are done. A quick roast. Then, sorry, just give me this one. Watch your hands.
I will watch. Remember, don't touch hot pots if you're small. Like
Yes.
this high, please. Safety first.
Always safety first.
Like in the other two videos before.
Yep, always safety first. Next, we are going to be adding our ghee. Like we mentioned, we fry everything in the ghee that we can because it is just delicious. And we need about 2 tablespoons, I think.
How much is one tablespoon?
Just I said 2 tablespoons of oil.
You just gotta put this. Yes.
It's fine.
Is it a tablespoon?
Yeah. Okay, first I need some peanuts, which I will be
Here's some
throwing
peanuts.
there.
So how many peanuts? All of them? Do you need to peel them?
No, you don't need to peel them. You need about 2 tablespoons. I think I did measure, but just take that if you don't mind.
One.
And another one.
2.
Should we add a little bit extra for love?
Yeah.
There we go.
Half a tablespoon.
So then we're just going to roast this a little bit
Peanuts?
until they go like a reddish color.
Oh, like reddish.
Like
this one?
No, not exactly that red.
This reddish?
No, it's like a reddish brown color.
Oh. I call it special. It's called maroon red.
It's a maroon red.
I don't know what it's called. That's red. See how the bubble open?
Yep, because of the heat.
So they're also acting like popcorn. So this is how popcorn acts, right?
It's almost how popcorn acts, yes, when you do
Even
put it
this
in
in
the pot.
fact acts like popcorn because it pops. This goes like
But why do they pop?
because of the heat.
Because of the heat, but why?
Because they have water.
Yes, because of the water.
So much of the color. Water.
Can you give me another bowl so I can just put this in?
Another bowl. Huh?
Yes, please. Sorry, I forgot to take one out.
Leave on plastic. Right?
Yeah. I had another one, isn't it, Jeff? and they don't want to go onto the spoon, so I have to do it like this. Okay. Next up is mustard seeds. I need
Mustard
half a
seeds.
teaspoon of mustard seeds.
Half teaspoon. Can I put some today?
Yes, you can put
It's
them.
my turn to put some. This one?
Yes, just put them right in there.
Careful with them. They might pop up.
Okay, and then
Cumin seed.
I will be adding this cumin seeds, which I already fried, as soon as they start popping.
So start popping. You install them, right?
No, not install them. Insert them into the pot.
I said install me.
Yes.
Oh, they pop. They also pop because they have water, right?
Yeah. Even though they are dried,
Oh, watch out!
yeah, they start popping and they go everywhere.
That's why they put something lit on them.
You can if you want to probably.
Eesh, they're popping all over the place. Make sure it's not a shallow pan. Make sure it's more for little deep so that they don't pop out.
You think that will help if they're going to go straight up?
No. If it is way higher, like this high, would be better. They don't pop everywhere.
Okay, next
Next.
I need my cumin seeds. I'm just going to do this.
There's some cumins.
Okay, and then I need the hing. You remember which one's the hing?
Hing right. How much?
The hing is 1/4 teaspoon.
Here's a 1/4.
Okay, yes.
One, right?
Yeah, there you go, perfect. Put that in there.
Get a sizzling one up.
Mm.
I don't even want sizzles.
Then I need the curry leaves.
Oh, here's some curry.
Pop them in there.
Yes, I know paprika.
And then we do the onions. I'll put them in a second. On this side.
That's it. Now, time for the onions. What are the
Onions.
fried? We're frying chopped onions. This onion stuff ready.
Okay. Okay, so I was supposed to add in chilies as well, but we're skipping that step
Yeah.
because I know you guys don't usually eat chilies, and I don't know,
Yeah.
just don't feel like having that hot of spicy food today.
Sizzling onions. So we need turmeric powder.
Let's do the turmeric.
How much?
Turmeric is 1/2 teaspoon, so there's this one.
Turmeric. Turmeric powder. This is turmeric. How much turmeric for? That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Can you open up the poha that I've soaked before, please? Soaked and washed and strained and all of that.
Or that's how I got its name. Gundapore.
So yes, poha.
So it's specifically Baji, it's called Boa.
Yep.
And the Boa. This is rice,
It does look like rice.
but
think
it's
making rice.
squished.
It's flat.
Because they put a roll on it just to smoothen it.
Is it?
That's how it goes
Okay.
in place.
Now I need some salt, and salt is according to taste.
So, how much is required? But how much I want? I think I forgot something. Salt, sugar, taste, finely chopped coriander.
When is the peanuts going? I want to actually. Okay. Liam, I want the salt, please.
Is there salt? More salt. Oh, do you need more salt?
I will pink salt,
Healthy salt.
and then a little bit of sugar.
You were jaggery.
We do jaggery or we do honey, depending on
So how much sugar?
Also to salt, to taste. Yummy?
Smells nice.
Does it?
I used to have this.
So just a pinch of that.
Isn't it a pinch?
Yeah, kind of.
It's a pinch is somewhere else.
Okay, now this is on low heat and it needs to
One.
steam for 7-8 minutes. Not a long time. Okay, so I'm going to let that set. And here goes the lid. So this will just be sitting and steaming here for about 7 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes. Just watch your fingers, Liam.
I will wash my fingers.
It smells good. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Can you smell it?
Smells nice.
Smells nice, right?
Yeah. Do they eat like this?
Yeah.
It looks like almost looks like an Algera, but like flakes.
These Algera flakes.
Flaky one. I said that's what it looks.
Is it? Okay, so this is all done. And then I am just going to be adding
Coriander.
a little bit of coriander.
Hey, what about the peanuts?
The peanuts I will put in just now, so there's the coriander. Do a nice mix through.
Make sure it's nice.
On screen.
Delicious.
Does it? Next is the
Peanuts.
do you put peanuts now?
Let's put the peanuts.
Okay, let's put peanuts. And then you just pour the peanuts over there for me. There we go.
Let's put the peanuts.
That's all the peanuts.
Oh.
Oh, I can't wait to give this a go.
Are we missing something?
Like, what are we missing?
We want to try the an ingredient.
There's a lot of recipes. There's a lot of recipes where they put little pieces of potato in, so already fried the potatoes.
Do a taste job. Yummy.
Yummy. So this is just plain potatoes fried up in the oil, and I'm just going to be adding it in here just for that extra bit of flavor, I guess.
Yumminess. Potatoes.
And there we go. I think it's all done.
Can't wait to try. So that's how the kandabachi, the kandabot looks
Yes, this is the kandaboa. You ready to taste?
like. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, it's so hot. That's the taste test.
Time for taste test. Okay, you first, Liam.
It's the mother first.
Mother first, okay. So let's have a look and see what this is going to be tasting like. So I've got bits of everything in here, some peanuts and some potato, some poa.
Nice.
I can see why this is a very
Good dish.
regular, traditional, famous, popular dish. This is really nice. Hmm?
Yeah, now. Let me try some.
You like? We make this more often?
Huh?
We make this more often?
Yeah, nice.
Mmm. Mm.
Love it.
This is really, really good. Can't stop eating.
Yummy. What do you think?
Mmm. Really, really yummy.
Really good.
I think Daddy and Raika needs to try now.
As Maraika and I was busy with
Yeah.
our other work, so it's our time now to
Try it.
try and see
Yes.
if Mommy and Raika have done a good job. Oh, sorry, Mommy and Liam, my bad. So, if Mommy and Liam have done a good job, moment of truth. Let's see.
How does it taste, Daddy? I'm trying to get some.
Good.
My turn.
I'll need another spoon to make sure.
This is good. Very nice. I like it.
It's very light, very light, and I think now we know why it's famous for an early morning breakfast, because it's so light and
It's so
the
nice.
flavors just blend together.
Yes, they do.
So now we know why it's so famous. Yum yum.
Do you think we should have added the chili?
No.
You can add a bit of a chili just to get that bite, but I don't think we missed out anything if you didn't put a chili, because if you like it, I would have liked a little bit of chili. As you know, it kind of just adds a bit of a, I don't know, won't say flavor, but that bite to it, sometimes we like it. But I think even if it's made like this, and for the fact that we added some potatoes,
Potatoes and peanuts mix well together.
They do actually, right?
yummy.
All good?
All good, yummy, absolutely. That's a... Maraika, that's a thumbs up for Mummy and for Liam for trying. So thumbs up for Mummy and for Liam. Good job. We are loving it. And
So now we can see why poa is a very famous.
Breakfast.
We enjoy preparing it and eating it. Tell us how you like to enjoy your poa and what else.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the icon bell because new videos will come up on Tuesday and Fridays. See you next time.
Remember,
Remember, hashtag short left.
hashtag short left. See you in our next adventure.